Alright, Bowser hard me to make that trap, so I made that trap. I can't reach. Darn it. There we go. Sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. And now, the world's worst ghost house ever existing. Who thought of this? I'll try. Oh no, I forgot to pause. Oh. I'll probably find out how to crop that out, but I can't. So ignore this part. Yet again on my genius mind, I've made the trap. Darn it! Huh, what's this? Mario. What? Mario, it's me, Jerry the Goomba. Listen, I give up. And as a gift, it's all in all of those question mark boxes. So many mushrooms! So little time! Oh wait, this doesn't have a time limit, does it? No! Gotta eat them all! Gotta eat them all! We'll really find out I'm tricking him. Did you say something? I said, well, we'll find out of how big a turd you're gonna get. Do you have a toilet? No. I'll find a way. Odd stuff. You could still make the jump, I believe in you. Just kidding. That was a trap. You're too heavy to make the jump. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, no, don't. Wee, I guess. Oh, cool, a fire flower. Oh. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, cool, a fire flower. Guys, yeah? This fire flower won't work. Is there anything I need to consider? Maybe you should try considering that you're underwater. What? You're underwater. Bring me back to World War I. Come on. And I was too dumb to know this. I wonder what this question mark box does. Neat. Wait, was that a time block for Sonic CD? Yup. Sonic. Okay, I've finally done it. I've finally set up Mario's trap. It was You got to be kidding me! You know what? I give up. I give up. I'll just ram and bam on Bowser. Boom. Yeah. Why are you the boss? Ugh. Boom. Yeah. Why are you the boss here? Because Bowser's on his temporary vacation. I don't even care anymore. La 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 la. I love painting. I painted in the middle block to look like stone. Nothing. Coin, coin. I meant a stone block to look like a question mark block. When will this get hit and activate the power up? 5 years later. Mario, yes, you've been hitting a painting in a painted stone to look like a question mark block. You've been hitting that for 5 years. I'll take this stuff. What a lovely day to garden some fire flowers. I said, what a wonderful day to garden some fire flowers. Animals! They're taking over the fire flowers. I have a few more lies, and I'm not going to waste them on moles. I'm going to plant these fire flowers. Of course, they are tasty. No, I ate all Peach's fire flowers. No! Come here, Mario. What? Reset button. Not again. You're on an infinite time loop. What? Until you plant those fire flowers without eating them. You got to be kidding me. 5 years later. Okay, I could do this. This evil scheme planned by Bowser. That's all I'm gonna do. And then Mario was in that time loop forever. When he was able to do it. Okay, let's try that again. I know what I'm supposed to do. And I have no feelings about it whatsoever. Whoa. Is that karma? I'll try that again. It is me, the ghost of Yoshi. Also, the previous Yoshis you killed aren't really happy with you. Those are the previous Yoshis you killed. Well, that's all the shorts for today. While doing that, I'll do a run clip of the last short, just without audio on there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed all these. It took me a while to make them, but I hope you all enjoyed them.